Hello student, welcome back. Digital Image Processing. Shongita Roy, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Narula Institute of Technology. Content. Digital Image Compression. Compression using Huffman coding. Coding is an important part in digital communication. Lot of information has to send from transmitter to receiver. In the way, lot of information may be lost, may be deteriorated, or due to some other deterioration may occur due to some unknown environment. At the same time, when we are communicating, lot of unnecessary data are also passed along with the main information, and sometimes main information are redundant. Already we have explained in the previous 3 classes. Compression is one of the technique which can reduce the total number of information to a usable size so that it can communicate and transport from transmitter to receiver properly without hampering the original information. There is various coding techniques are there, but Huffman coding is one of the very premier as well as long using coding technique that is used till now. Huffman coding is one of the most popular technique for removing artifacts or redundancy at the time of communication. And Professor Huffman 1952 invented this technique. It is a prefix type of coding. The first step in Huffman's approach is to create a series of source reductions by ordering the probabilities of the symbols under consideration and combining the lowest probability symbols into a single symbol that replaces them in the next source, reducing the total number of information. Now this is the idea of Huffman coding. Now there are source symbols. The alphabets may be A2, A6, A1, A4, A3 and A5. And their probability of occurring is also showing. The highest probability is A2, it is occurring 0.4, and lowest is 0.04, that is A5. So which is highest probability, therefore it is coming frequently. Therefore if it is coded minimum number of bit, then the total number of volume of information will be reduced, whereas those information which are not very frequent or very less they are occurring, if it is given a more number of bits, then no problem is there. This is the main technique. But how to create this coding? This is used in Huffman coding. Now in the normal equal bit of coding, like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 symbols are there. So if we use for digital coding 3 bits equal for each bit, equal for each symbols, then it will be 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Whatever be the combination, it will come. But some information will very frequently occur, some will not be occurring very frequently. Then probability will be equal for all. So this coding technique will be huge number of bits, and the number of occurring of bits will be 3 for each pixel. Therefore, if we can reduce the number of bits per pixel, then it will be our advantage, and compression will be there by default or automatically. So it is done by step process, and finally the number of bits, if we code like this, it is 2.2 bits per pixel. So it is quite clear that instead of using 3 bits, 2.2 bits. So average bit information is quite less. Therefore, it is the advantage of, therefore compression is automatically by this coding technique. And how it is coded, it is shown, but more will be clear in the next subsequent slides. So this is the algorithm. Start with a list of symbols and their frequency in the alphabet. Select 2 symbols with the lowest frequency, add their frequency and reduce the symbols. Repeat the process starting from step 2 until only 2 values remain. The algorithm creates a prefix code for each symbol from the alphabet simply by traversing the symbol back. It assigns 0 and 1 for each frequency value in each phase. Now, it will be more clear to us how messages are from x1 to x6. In the stage 1, x1 the probability is 0.3 and x6 is the probability of 0.05. So the lowest probability is x5 and x6. Automatically these two are added and given to the next stage as the probability of 0.13. So in the first stage, the last two probabilities, least probabilities, are giving the weightage as 1 and 0. So these two are added, and in the next series automatically it is not the lowest, it is the second lowest. So the lowest now it is 0.12. Obviously it will have a weightage of 1 and 0.13 has a weightage of 0. Now it will be clear to you why we are using an 1, 2. Because it is a binary coding, so the lowest probability will give the higher bit means 1 and the higher probability will giving 0. So in this way, these steps will keep on going until finally it converges to two values, means 0 and 1. So this is the step 1, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and finally converges to stage 5. Now how the coding technique will be? So for the x1, it is not going in the, may involve in the stage, so it is not getting any coding. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, no value. But in the final stage, automatically by the rule, it is getting the coding as 0. So, but and the lower value is 4, 5, it is getting the coding as 1. So by default, x1 will get a coding of 4, 5 because see how it is weightage is going on. So by default, x1 will be 1. Now x2 not involving in the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So in the stage 4, it is getting the value 1, and in the stage 5, it is getting the value of 0. So automatically the value is 1 and 0, but when we have to write, we have to reverse it, means 0 and 1. This is the rule. So the MSB will be 0 and LSB will be 1. Similarly for x3, x3 is not involved in the first stage, second stage, third stage, but in the fourth and fifth it is involved. Now how the value is coming? The value is coming as, in the third stage it is coming as 1, and the fourth stage also coming as 1. So x3 will be 1 and 1. Now it is x4. How the x4 value is coming? So first x4 is 1, then it is going to 0, then it is going to 1. If it is reverse, again the same value 1, 0, 1 is coming. For x5, 0, then 0, then 0, and finally it is 1. So if we reverse it, it will come at 1, 0, 0, 0. For x6, it is 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. So reverse it, again it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So by this coding, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 0, 1, x3 is equal to 1, 1, x4 1, 0, 1, x5 1, 0, 0, 0, x0 1, 0, 0, 1, and so on. So in the next slide, again another example is showing A2, A1, A3, A4, A5. In the step 1, the probabilities are showing. So in the earlier value, least two probabilities are added and going to the next stage. In this way, it is going on, keep on going, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. So how the code word coming? For A2, it is not involving first stage, second stage, third stage. Only for the fourth stage, it has giving 1. So it is code word is 1. Similarly for A1, it is coming in the 1 and then 0. Reverse it, 0, 1. A3, it is from the second stage, it is involving. So it is coming 0, then 0, then 0. So 3 zeros, and reverse it again the same value, no problem. Now A4. A4 is equal to 0, then 1, then 0, then 0. So reverse it 0, 0, 1, 0. For A5 it is 1, 1, then 0, then 0. Reverse it 0, 0, 1, 1. And that's all. So this is the main technique of this Huffman coding. These are the references. Thank you. But again today we will do some MATLAB, how it is coming to MATLAB. So here MATLAB coding is there. So the S is the input, the symbols, P is the probability. So the format, how the symbols will be given, it is given in the comment. So I am compiling. It is, I have to enter how the format is. So this is my A, B, C, D, E, F. How the probability also given over there, this one is the probability. So I've copied it and I pasted here. Then again I will run. So the answer has come. So how it is coming? See. So the probability is this and the symbol is this, and the corresponding, the code for A is equal to 0, 1, for B is equal to 1, 1, C is equal to 0, 0, 0, D is equal to 1, 0, 0, E is equal to 0, 1, 0, F is equal to 1, 1, 0. Now I can change this code also. How I will, again I am showing. So first A, B, C, D, E, F, no problem, same thing. So I will compile this. Again it is coming. I have to enter here. I have to enter the symbols over there. So I enter. Again it is probability. This is the probabilities. I will change the probability little bit. So the probability I will reduce by 1. It is 21. It is increased by 13. So total is 1 again. So I will run. So it is, the answer is coming like this. So for A 0, 1, B 1, 1, C 0, 0, 0, D 1, 0, 0, E 1, 1, 0, it is changed, and F also 1, 1, 0. So it is a change here. So this is all of the day. You can change the program as you require and you will get the answer. Thank you.